snowed overnight, and there's probably about 5 inches of snow here that I've got to clear, so I'm going to use the snow blower to do that while we don't have school. Okay, I underestimated. It looks more like we got 6 to 7 inches of snow here. I am really glad I have this snow blower, because if I didn't, I'd have to shovel by hand, and that would definitely hurt my back. Okay, so I finished using the snow blower, but it won't get the really heavy snow by the end of the driveway because it's really wet and very high now. So I'm going to have to shovel that by hand, and I'm hoping it doesn't hurt my back. I'm also hoping to recruit my husband, but he's still in his pajamas, so that likely will not happen. Okay, let's see if I can.
Shoveling snow and I don't like it, but it is a good workout, so I'm getting something out of it, but I'm just excited to get to the couch.
How long is it taking you to shovel your driveway?
I think last time it took me about 45 minutes to an hour, so I've been out here maybe half an hour. So it looks like I'm almost done. We'll see.